If you remember how nervous you were when you first walked in the gym on that first episode, and then you compare that to now, that difference, that's not strength, it's capability. Now you're capable. Check this out. You're gonna be a lot more fluid now. You'll be a lot more confident walking into the gym and finding those pieces of equipment that you've learned on from episode 1, 2, and 3. If you followed along in this series, it actually builds your confidence to now. And so now, to this day, episode 5, you're capable now. You found fitness equipment that you enjoy. You might even have a couple people that you've made friends with. I love these dual machines. They allow us to work single arm and double arm. Again, it's not strength that we're looking for. It's being capable. And being capable means that you're able to walk into the gym now without the anxiety that you did in the very beginning. You're able to walk through and find the pieces of equipment that you've been working on and you've built some comfort with. You're able to choose the pin and choose the weight and which way you want to go. You're capable. You guys, capable isn't about being shredded or coming in and lifting the most. It's about simply feeling good and having a ton of self-respect. That's what I love about episode 5, and by the time that you reach this point, is you literally want to know what the difference is. It's feeling good and having self-respect for yourself and longevity. Slow and controlled on that one. Most people think that being a beginner is all about how much weight you lift. And that's usually the primary concern for us 40-year-olds when we get back into the gym, is we're just so concerned about going back and starting again and then how much we lift. And it's common, it's understandable. You just got to take a step back and start slow. It's not about how much weight we lift. It's about getting back and being consistent again and being capable. Hey, have a good one, big dog. Good seeing you. All right. So do me a favor. As you progress, just trust yourself. That's what I want. Going forward, just let's work on just trusting ourselves. When most people start going to the gym, they think that confidence is built after the results. But confidence is actually built after we understand what we're doing. Let me repeat that. Most beginners and beginner gym goers think that confidence is built after the results. But really, it's not. After studying many people coming through and doing interviews and then watching the progression of the gym goer, confidence is actually built after you understand what you're doing for your body. This feels really good tonight. So I'm literally gonna do another set, and yeah, I just kind of want to push myself. I jumped over here to videotape for everybody, and at the same time, everything feels good. Knees feel healthy. I drank a ton of water today and a lot of food, and everything is just right, you know? And you're gonna have these moments. You're gonna have bad days, and you're gonna have good days. And today is just one of those good days. The joints feel really good, guys. Again, my nutrition was really, really good, and I paid attention to my electrolytes and water. And so usually whenever I do that and I get a good early start to my hydration, I feel freaking phenomenal. Usually, not always. Got to be real with you. But one more hard set of legs, like leg extensions. I love this. Challenge myself today and see if I can get to 20 here. 6, 8, 9. And you can't keep track of my counting because I'll go up the ladder and then back down the ladder so that mentally I am tougher. Because usually if I say I wanted to hit 20 and I count 1, 2, 3 up the scale, usually I'll burn out early, like that, because I actually start thinking about the fail portion of it. And that's not what I want to do. Again, I'm the optimistic guy. So I'll literally count 5 at a time when I'm going to 20. I'll count to 10 and then count backwards. Whatever it is I got to do to give myself that confidence. I failed out on that last one, a little short of what I wanted. So I just did a rest pause and add a few extra reps for extra credit. Gosh, that burns. On these ones, when you do these, you'll see what I mean. You will literally want to get out of the machine when you hit your final rep, okay? Gosh, that burns. This whole series wasn't about making you advanced. It was all about making you comfortable with coming to the gym, okay? Keep that in mind. So now we push on. Okay, that's the wrap for episode 5. Remember, you're not a beginner anymore. You're capable. And now let's continue.